graders, and welcome back to your reading job for today. Let's take a look at our target skill. I can use the first and second letters of words to put them in alphabetical order. That's $1 million word, first graders. You say it with me. Alphabetical. It just means ABC order. So we are going to look at the first letter and the second letter in some words today and put them in ABC order. What does that mean? Let's take a look. So we have our ABCs up above. You will need an ABC order to look at today, boys and girls. If you have your name tag, this is a perfect opportunity to use your name tag for this. So we are going to look at these words and we are going to put them in order based on when they come in the alphabet. So my first word is frog. Frog. What is the first letter in this word? It is F. F. What is the first letter in my next word? Egg. It is E. What is the first letter in the word grape? Grape. It is a G. The first letter in the word bird, bird, is a B. The first letter in the word goat is a G. And the first letter in the word dog is a D. D. All right, boys and girls, so now that I have found the first letter in each word, I am going to start putting them in ABC order. Starting with the first letter of the alphabet, do I have any words that start with A? No, so I'll go to the next one. B. Do I have any words that start with the letter B? I do, don't I? So I can go ahead and write that word down. It comes first in our alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. And then I can go ahead and cross it off. All right, let's keep going. Letter C. C. No letter C's at the beginning. Letter D. We have a word that starts with the letter D. So I'm going to go ahead and write it on the next slide. Because it comes next in our ABC order. Let's keep going. E. Oh, we have another word that starts with this letter. So it will be our third word in alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, E, F. I do have one word that starts with the letter F. So it comes next in our alphabetical order, or ABC order. All right, you'll notice I'm crossing the words off as I go because once I put them in order, I don't need them anymore. Our next word, A, B, C, D, E, F. So we've got to G. Wait, boys and girls. I have two words both start with the letter G. So, which one comes first in our alphabetical order? Well, we are going to have to do some research, boys and girls. We're going to have to look deeper. Can you be a reading detective with me? So, we are going to have to look at the second letter in the word. So the word grape has G-R, R. The word goat has G-O, O. So, which letter comes first in the alphabet? The R or the O? So start at the beginning of your alphabet, boys and girls, and go until you find an R or an O. I see that O for octopus, octopus, comes before R for ring, ring. So I am going to put the word goat next because O comes before R in the alphabet. So I will put the word goat first and the word grape last. All right, and that's all there is to it. Now all of my words are in alphabetical order. Your job today, boys and girls, is going to be to put your sight words in alphabetical order in your interactive notebook. Have fun, first graders. I'll see you next time.